Hello students, in this session I am going to present problem on income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Here in this problem they have given opening balance sheet, that means assets and liabilities of previous year, that is considered as current year's opening balance sheet, and receipt and payment account given and some adjustments given. From these you have to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st 3 2014 and balance sheet as on 31st 3 2014. First you have to prepare income and expenditure account. First you have to write title, then debit side expenditure, credit side income. While recording the items in the expenditure side, you have to refer payment side item. In the payment side they have given first by office expense, 2 different years office expense given. You have to consider only current year's office expense, that is of 2013 to 14, 17,000. Related adjustments not given, therefore only current year's office expense paid 17,000 should be recorded in the expenditure side. 2 office expenses 17,000. Next item in the payment side, postage rupees 100. Related adjustment not given. Postage is also revenue expenditure, therefore expenditure side you have to record to postage rupees 100. Next item in the payment side, printing rupees 500. Related adjustment not given. Printing is also revenue expenditure, therefore in the expenditure side you have to write to printing rupees 500. Next item in the payment side, salary. Salary is also revenue expenditure, that is of rupees 25,000. Here in the adjustment they have given salary prepaid of rupees 2,500. Salary prepaid means advance paid, next year's paid in the current year. Therefore in the expenditure side, first you have to write to salary 25,000 less prepaid or advance paid 2,500, then outer column you will get 22,500. Only current year's outstanding you have to add. Advance paid or prepaid you have to deduct, or last year's anything outstanding is there, then you have to deduct. You have to add only current year's outstanding. Next, here in the payment side, next item is purchase of books rupees 10,000. Books is asset, therefore it comes in the balance sheet. Next, bank loan repaid. Bank loan, it is also liability, it is not recurring, therefore it comes in the balance sheet. Next item, subscription to newspaper rupees 600. It is revenue expenditure, therefore in the expenditure side you have to record to subscription to newspaper rupees 600. Next, in the payment side they have given closing balance of cash, that is by balance carried down, it comes in the balance sheet, that is asset side. Next, here you have to record in the adjustment they have given depreciate building by 10%. Depreciation is recurring in nature, therefore in the expenditure side only you have to record depreciation on building. You have to calculate 10% on a building value, that is opening value. Opening value of building is 70,000. On that if you calculate 10%, then you will get here depreciation on building 7,000. Additional purchase of a building not given in the payment side, therefore only on the book value you have to calculate building depreciation. Next, while recording the items in the income side, you have to refer receipt side item. In the receipt side they have given to balance brought down, you have to exclude that balance. Next item in the receipt side given is subscription. Here they have given 2013 to 14 45,000, 2014 to 15 5,000. You have to consider only current year subscription received. that is of 2013 to 14, 45,000. Current year subscription received only 45,000. Therefore, that is recurring in nature, revenue received. Therefore, in the income side, by subscription 45,000 you have to record. In the adjustment they have given subscription outstanding rupees 5,000. That is outstanding means not yet paid. That is current year subscription outstanding for. Therefore, for the book value, current year's book value subscription 45,000, you have to add outstanding subscription 5,000, then you will get 50,000. Then next item in the receipt side they have given entrance fees 8,000, related adjustment. Third one, here they have said capitalize 50% of entrance fees. Therefore, remaining 50% should be considered as revenue received. Therefore, entrance fees book value is 8,000. In that only 50% should be considered as revenue income. Therefore, in the income side, by entrance fees 4,000 you have to record. Next, donation 12,000. Here in the adjustment they have said 100 capitalize 100% donation. Therefore, you have to consider this donation as capital item. It is not revenue income. Therefore, you should not record this donation in the income side. Next item in the receipt side is interest, that is of rupees 5,000. It is revenue receipt. Therefore, in the income side you have to record by interest 5,000. Here credit side more. Therefore, debit side you have to record surplus by deducting debits from credit side total. If you deduct debit side item, then you will get surplus, that is balancing figure. Then you will get the same total 59,000. Next, you have to prepare balance sheet. While preparing current year's balance sheet, that is on 31st 3 2014, you have to refer opening balance sheet. Here in the opening balance sheet they have given asset side cash in hand 15,000. Cash in hand 15,000, that is of last year's. Current year's cash in hand given at the last item payment side, balance carried down 26,800, that is of current year's cash in hand. That one should be recorded in the asset side, cash in hand 26,800. Next, furniture 25,000 given in the opening balance sheet, related any adjustment not given. Therefore, here in the asset side furniture outer column 25,000. Next, in the opening balance sheet building 70,000 given. Here related adjustment depreciate building by 10%. Therefore, in the current year's balance sheet you have to record building inner column 70,000 less depreciation already calculated on 70,000 into 10% means you will get 7,000. If you deduct depreciation, then you will get 63,000 outer column. Next item in the opening balance sheet is sports materials 20,000. Here related adjustment not given. Here in the payment side also related sports material purchase nothing given. Therefore, in the asset side sports material asset side 20,000. Next, in the opening balance sheet they have given library books 30,000. That is the opening balance of library books. In the payment side they have given purchase of books 10,000. That means that is additional purchase of a current year. Therefore, in the asset side for sports library books 30,000, for that you have to add current year's additional purchase of books 10,000, then you will get 40,000. Next, here in the adjustment subscription outstanding is there, that is of a current year. This is asset. Therefore, you have to record subscription outstanding 5,000 in the asset side. Next, here salary prepaid, that means next year's salary paid this year, current year. Therefore, it is also considered as asset. Therefore, you have to record in the asset side. always adjustment items you have to record twice, once in income and expenditure account and once in balance sheet. Next, while recording the items in the liability side, you refer opening liabilities. Here in the opening balance sheet they have given outstanding office expense 5,000. This opening liability of outstanding office expense already paid, payment side 2012 to 13, 5,000 already paid. Therefore, you should not record once again in the current year's balance sheet. Next item in the opening balance sheet is bank loan 35,000. Here in the payment side, bank loan repaid given 5,000. Therefore, in the current year's balance sheet liability side, bank loan 35,000 less paid. This year paid 5,000, then remaining 30,000 total liability. Current year's bank loan liability is 30,000. Next, here in the receipt side, subscription 2014 to 15, 5,000 given. That means next year's subscription received this year. Therefore, it should be considered as received in advance. Therefore, it is liability. Therefore, you have to record subscription received in advance 5,000 liability side of current year's balance sheet. Next, capital fund. In the capital fund, you have to record first opening balance. It is in opening balance sheet 1,20,000. For this, you have to add all the capitalized items which is given in the adjustments. Here capitalize 50% of entrance fees. Remaining 50% we have recorded as revenue receipt. Therefore, only 50% of entrance fees should be considered, 4,000. Next, donation full amount is considered as capital item. No other capital item. Here, next you have to add surplus which we got from income and expenditure account. Then if you add these, you will get 1,47,300. Here no other assets and liabilities. Here both side tallied 1,82,300. Thank you.